Hello, ẹ káàbọ̀ sí yàrá ìkẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Welcome to class. So today we want to look at parts of the body in Yoruba. We're going to be starting from the head. If you want to say head in Yoruba, you say orí, head. Orí, head. Orí mi, my head. Orí mi, my head. And then the first thing you're going to see on the head is your hair. Hair is irun, irun, irun. Good. Because hair grows on different parts of the body, we have the armpit hair, we have different hair that grows on different parts of the body. So Yoruba, I told you that we are very specific in addressing whatever we want to address. So this is not just called irun. You will call it irun ori, the hair on the head. Irun ori. You can see the hair is on my head. Okay? Look at closely. If you look closely, your eyebrows is close to the eyes. You can see it is the brows of the eyes. So it is also hair, and it is referred to in Yoruba as irun oju. Oju is eyes. Oju, eyes. Irun oju, eyebrows. Eyelashes is ìpéǹpé ojú. Ìpéǹpé ojú is also hair, but you can see that it's not going in the same direction, right? So ìpéǹpé ojú, ìpéǹpé is because you can blink it. Do you understand? So ìpéǹpé ojú, that's what eyelashes is called in Yoruba. Ìpéǹpé ojú. So we go straight to what the eyes is, which is ojú. Touch your eyes. Ojú. My eyes. Ojú mi. Okay, so we want to go to the next one, which is what? Nose. Nose is imú. Imú. Nose. Imú. Nose. I hope you're taking notes. And then I've been talking with my mouth, which is the next part of the head. Ẹnu, mouth. Ẹnu. I hope you get that. Ẹnu, mouth. Ẹnu, mouth. Now, if you open your mouth, you see that there are some other things in your mouth. Eyín, teeth. Eyín, teeth. Eyín. Eyín. Good. Eyín, teeth. So if I say touch your eyín, you touch your teeth. And then you look further, you see ahọ́n, tongue. Ahọ́n, tongue. Ahọ́n, tongue. And then you want to turn this side, you can see your ears. The ear, your ear is etí. I said teeth is eyín, but ear is etí. Etí, ear. You use your ear to hear. Etí la fi ń gbọ́rọ̀. Etí, ear. So ask me your questions. If there's a part of the body that I've not touched on the head. Okay, let's just talk about the neck. Ọrùn, neck. Ọrùn, neck. Ọrùn, neck. So eyeballs, yeah? Eyeballs is ẹ̀yìn ojú. So look at the shape of the eyeballs. It looks like it's spherical. It's like an egg. So ẹ̀yìn is egg. The eye egg that must not break. So you get the idea now. Ẹ̀yìn ojú, the egg of the eye. So when people want to describe people that something that is so valuable to them, they can't afford to lose it. They say, ẹ̀yìn ojú mi ni o, it is my eyeball. So you cannot joke around with it. So let's go back to class and let me see how you practice these parts of the head that we have learned. Make sure you rehearse. Make sure you talk to somebody about what you're learning, and don't forget to practice as frequent as possible. Ó dàbọ̀.